Hello students, welcome to my channel Learn with Divya. In last video I have finished alcohol. So today I will discuss about phenol. So let's get started. Before starting, please like, share and subscribe my channel. What are phenols? The aromatic hydroxyl compound in which one or more hydroxyl group are directly attached to the aromatic nucleus are called phenol. The class name phenol is adopted from simplest member monohydric benzene. In a Greek word, phen means benzene and ol means OH. So what is the meaning of phenol? Benzenol. Okay. Some phenols are antioxidant and used in foods. Phenol are also used in the manufacture of synthetic polymers and for natural flavoring of tea and coffee. A number of phenols and phenolic ether occur in nature, and oils from naturally occurring clothes is used by dentists as an antiseptic is a phenolic. Thymol is a phenol group. A phenol is used in mouthwash as a flavor and as an antiseptic. 2,5-dichlorophenol is isolated from defensive secretions of species of a grasshopper. So next topic is how are phenol classified? Give situable examples. Phenol are classified on the basis of number of hydroxyl group present in a molecule of phenol. Examples: first is monohydric phenol, second is dihydric phenols, and third one is trihydric phenol. So monohydric phenol is phenol containing one hydroxyl group in their molecules. Example: phenol, first is phenol, second is alpha naphthalate means one naphthalate. Another example, O-cresol means 2-methyl phenol, metacresol 3-methyl phenol, paracresol means 4-methyl phenol. Next one is dihydric phenol, phenol containing 2 hydroxyl group in their molecule. Example: benzene 1,2-diol, benzene 1,3-diol, benzene 1,4-diol. Benzene 1,2-diol means catechol, benzene 1,3-diol means rasoquinol, and benzene 1,4-diol means hydroquinone. It's a quinoline. Third one is trihydric phenol, phenol containing 3 hydroxyl group in their molecules. Example: fluoroglucol, benzene 1,3,5-triol. Next one is pyrogalol, benzene 1,2,3-triol, and third one is benzene 1,2,4-triol. So phenol is found in middle oil, acidic fractions of coal tar, distillate, and due to its ability to neutralize common base, it is called carbolic acid. So next one is structure of functional group. In phenol, the OH group to attach to sp2 hybridization carbon atom of aromatic ring. The carbon oxygen bond length 136 pm in phenol is slightly less than in methanol. This is due to first partial double bond character on account of the conjunctions of unshared lone pair electrons of oxygen with pi electron of aromatic ring, and second one is sp2 hybridization state of carbon to which oxygen is bonded. So now next topic is how is preparations of phenol. Okay, so first is a chlorobenzene means Dow process. In this method, chlorobenzene is heated with excess of aqueous sodium hydroxide means NaOH at 613 Kelvin under pressures of 300 atmosphere. Sodium phenoxide formed in the process is hydrolysis using dilute hydrochloric acid to get phenol. Alternatively, a current of carbon dioxide is passes through aqueous sodium phenoxide to get phenol. Okay, so you can see in these reactions In this reaction, you can see the chlorobenzene react with sodium hydroxide. The product will come sodium phenoxide, and the sodium phenoxide react with hydrochloride, HCl means HCl, and the product will come phenol plus NaCl. Preparations of phenol by the racing process. Chlorobenzene is treated with steam in presence of calcium phosphate or silica as catalyzed when a phenol is obtained. And next one is the hydrolysis of chlorobenzene can also be effected by water in the presence of copper as catalyzed 673 Kelvin under pressure. Means you can see the two processes are there. First is chlorobenzene react with water in the presence of Ca3PO3 whole square 2 and silica oxide. Okay, means calcium phosphate or silica, and the product will come phenol. And the next process, you can see the chlorobenzene react with water in the presence of copper and 673 Kelvin under pressure. The product will come phenol. This process is called racing process. So now next reaction is from benzene sulfonic acid. The benzene is sulfonated with oleum to give benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid is neutralized using aqueous sodium hydroxide to obtain sodium benzene sulfonate. Trisodium benzene sulfonate is then fused with the excess of sodium hydroxide when sodium phenoxide is obtained along with sodium sulfide. Sodium phenoxide on treated with a dilute sulfuric acid to give phenol. Next process from cumene. It's a commercial method. Near all phenol which are required today are obtained by this method. Alkaline solutions of cumene in sodium carbonate is oxidized by passing air or oxygen using cobalt naphthalene as catalyzed at 423 Kelvin, and cumene hydrogen peroxide is obtained. Cumene hydrogen peroxide on heating with the dilute sulfuric acid decomposed to give phenol and acetone. Acetone is an important byproduct of the reaction and is separated by distillation. The reaction is called auto-oxidation. Means what you see, a cumene is reacted in air, so what product will come? Cumene hydroperoxide, and cumene hydroperoxide in the presence of dilute H2SO4, you can see the phenol is come plus acetone. Okay, so next process, the cumene in this process, you can see two steps the process will complete. So now coming to next step from aniline diogenations. From aniline diogenations, when aniline a primary aromatic amine. First, when aniline is treated with the nitrous acid means NaNO2 and HCl. This is a nitrous acid. So again we start, when aniline is treated with nitrous acid under ice cold condition, it gives benzene diazonium salt. This process is called diazonisation. The aqueous solutions of diazonium salt is hydrolyzed with a dilute sulfuric acid to give phenol. Okay. Next question is, describe the physical property of phenol. Pure phenol is a colorless, hygroscopic and crystalline solid with typical phenolic odor. Second one is, on exposure to air and light it turned pink due to partial oxidation. Third one is, phenol has low melting point 316 Kelvin but has a higher melting point 455 Kelvin due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Fourth one, it is partial soluble in water. It is readily soluble in ethanol and ether. So next one is reactions of phenol. The OH group to aromatic ring is known as phenolic group. This group activated the ortho and para positions of benzene ring as this position become electron rich due to resonance effect caused by OH group. Phenol thus give a mixture of ortho and para product on substitution. Phenol is a bifunctional compound as it undergoes reaction due to OH group as well as electrophilic aromatic substitutions. So first is acidity of phenol. What is the acidity of phenol? Phenol react with strong base like sodium hydroxide and metal like sodium, potassium, aluminum, etc. These reactions indicate the acidic nature of phenol. Phenol are often Phenol are about 1,000,000 times more acidic than alcohol but less acidic than carboxylic acid. Let us consider the ionizations of alcohol and phenol. In alcohol, the OH group is attached to sp3 hybridization carbon, while is phenol attached to sp2 hybridization carbon. Okay, so due to high electronegativity of sp2 hybridized carbon, electron density on oxygen decrease. This is increase the polarity of OH bond, which result is more ionizations of phenol than that of alcohol. Further in alkoxide ion, the negative charge is localized and oxygen, while in phenoxide ion, the negative charge is delocalization. Due to delocalizations of the negative charge over the ortho and para positions of aromatic ring, phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol. You can see in this reaction first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, this is also delocalizations of charge in phenol, but it is resonance structure 6 to 10th have a charge separation, due to which the phenol molecule is less stable than phenoxide ion. This favor the ionizations of phenol. Thus phenol are more acidic than alcohol and water. Understood? So phenol with the electron withdrawing substitute like nitro group are more acidic because this substitute delocalizes the negative charge. This effect is more pronounced when such a group is present at ortho or para position. It is due to the effect delocalizations of negative charge in phenoxide ion. On the other hand, phenol well electron donated substitutes like alkyl group are less acidic because this substitute do not delocalize the negative charge. Compounds with a small pK value are more acidic. So next reaction is electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophilic aromatic substitution is a halogenations and nitrations of phenol and sulfonations of phenol. These are the electrophilic aromatic substitutions. Okay, so first we can discuss halogenation, means brominations of phenol. The hydrogen atom of benzene rings of phenol are substituted by halogen. The product of the reaction depend on the nature of the solvent used for the reaction. When phenol is treated with the bromine at low temperature in a solvent, such a carbon disulfide or chloroform, a mixture of ortho-bromophenol and para-bromophenol is obtained, and para-bromophenol is major product. When phenol is treated with bromine water, it is give white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Okay. Second one is nitrations of phenol. Nitrations of phenol means substitutions of hydrogen atom of benzene ring of phenol by a nitro group is called nitrations of phenol. The reagent used is nitric acid, and the product depend upon concentrations of nitric acid and temperature. When phenol is treated with dilute nitric acid at room temperature, a mixture of orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol is obtained, and orthonitrophenol is major product. By steam distillations, ortho and para isomers can be separate. Orthonitrophenol is a steam volatile due to the intramolecular hydrogen bonding, while para-nitrophenol is less volatile due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, which causes the associate of molecules. When phenol is heated with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives 2,4,6 dinitrophenol, also known as picric acid. However, the yield of the reaction is poor. The mixture of concentrated nitric acid and the concentrated sulfuric acid is called nitrating mixture. Okay, so next one is sulfonations of phenol. Substitutions of hydrogen atom when benzene ring of phenol by SO3H group is called sulfonations of phenol. Okay, the product form depend upon the temperature of the reaction. When phenol is treated with the concentrated sulfuric acid at room temperature 298 Kelvin, it gives a orthophenol sulfonic acid as a major product, but at 373 Kelvin, parasulfonic acid is a major product. Okay, so you can see in the reaction, phenol is react with concentrate H2SO4, and the product will come orthophenol sulfonic acid, and the second one is phenol reacted with concentrate H2SO4, the product will come parasulfonic acid. Okay. So next one is Kolbe reactions. What is about Kolbe reaction? Is a phenol react with a sodium hydroxide to give sodium phenoxide. Phenoxide ion undergoes electrophilic substitutions with carbon dioxide because phenoxide ion is more reactive than phenol. Salicylic acid is formed a major product at a lower temperature. Orthoisomer predominated, whereas para-isomer is obtained at high temperature. Next one is Reimer-Tiemann reactions. Phenol is presence of sodium hydroxide react with chloroform to give salicylated aldehyde. And orthoisomer is a major product which can be separate from para-isomers by steam distillations. The predominance of orthoisomer is due to its greater stability by intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Last one is reaction with zinc dust. When phenol is heated with the zinc dust, it gives benzene. And next one is oxidation. It's the last section. Phenol is oxidized by chromic acid to a diketones benzoquinone. It is conjugated diketones. Last one is oxidation reactions. Phenol is oxidized by chromic acid to a diketones benzoquinone. It's a conjugated diketones. So last topic is uses of phenol. So phenol is used in a preparations phenol formaldehyde polymer, which is used in a plastic backlight. Second one is phenolphthalein and certain dyes. Third, Dettol, which is used as antiseptic for the drugs such as salicylic acid and salol, aspirin, etc. Fifth, the 2,4-dichlorophenoxic acetic acid, which is used as a selective weed killer. 6, picric acid, which is used as explosive. Today we have finished phenol topic. So in next video I will start ether. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet you in next video. Bye bye.